Yeah, we're live at one of the clinics forced to shut down today due to a lack of supply. But even before closing, we heard from countless eligible residents who were turned away here at Centennial College yesterday, despite having printed confirmations of their vaccine appointments. And it turns out it comes down to a possible glitch in the provincial booking portal, redirecting people here. Some residents telling us booking an appointment and actually getting the shot is like winning the lottery.
Look at what it says here.
No, I see that. I understand that, right?
What is going to happen to his vaccine?
You just have to book another appointment.
Tanya Markison booked and confirmed an appointment for her 48-year-old husband on April 8th. She lives in a hotspot neighborhood where the province promised anyone 18 and over would be eligible for a shot. But today, she was turned away for not meeting criteria.
I am so frustrated. It's making me cry because it is so frustrating, because I feel like this is so straightforward, and how come everybody is just running around and don't know what they want to do. And I'm trying to help people.
She's a breast cancer survivor and already got her shot, but has since been volunteering to help residents in her community after realizing how complicated the booking process could be. She's helped book dozens of vaccine appointments and insists the system is flawed.
I feel like people who I call, that they're supposed to have more information, they don't, and they don't know themselves. Every hospital has its own criteria. Every health unit has its own criteria.
And the wide range of eligibility criteria is what has resulted in confusion and countless people being turned away from clinics. CityNews spoke with multiple eligible educators who showed up with confirmed appointments at Centennial College this week after being redirected to this clinic by the provincial booking portal. Turns out that was a glitch. In a statement, the Scarborough Health Network, which operates the clinic, tells us SHN is not on the provincial booking system. And in at least one educator's case, it seems this person was redirected to our booking system, where she clicked the eligible age in the drop-down menu. This comes after a week of disappointment for special education workers failing to book their shots after the province promised they'd be eligible this week.
It's clear once again that although the government made an announcement, there really wasn't a plan.
The TDSB has been sending out letters that staff can use to prove their eligibility. So far, 2,300 letters have been sent to special education workers. Another 15,000 are on their way to education workers who live or work in hotspot neighborhoods and also qualify. Many educators who have been able to book have to wait until at least May for their appointments.
This is clearly insufficient. Bear in mind that a lot of these educators that we're talking about are ones that are going to be back in classes next week, because despite the closure, those who work with special needs children will, in many cases, be delivering face-to-face education. So they remain at risk.
We've been told by Toronto Public Health and the Scarborough Health Network there have been no vaccines wasted to date, and vaccines are not thrown out at the end of the day if people aren't showing up for their appointments. Every dose is given out, and they're likely given out to healthcare workers if there are leftovers. Meanwhile, for the second day in a row, the Ministry of Health didn't respond to our requests for a statement. We asked directly why the booking portal was redirecting residents to places where they are ineligible.